Today we're making this hash potato thing with Chinese sauce marinated chicken and a salad. The salad has some pear, has some pear, tomato, and it says baby leaf on the package, and it's organic, so I think it's as fancy as it can get. Soy sauce, black vinegar, sesame oil, and of course laoganma. When mixing, you just want to make sure that almost every piece of meat is coated with the marinade, and then we just let it sit for maybe an hour or so. Let's start making the hashed potatoes. I've already shredded and they're beginning to oxidize, so the color looks kind of shitty. And now I'm gonna add in some eggs. Pinch of salt. I don't think normally you have eggs in the hashed potatoes, but I don't see why not adding it in, because it's gonna hold the whole thing more firmly, which I think should be nice. So along the eggs, I've chopped mushrooms here, which I'm gonna add in. And I wasn't gonna put this, but because someone here filming with us mentioned he'd like to have some mushrooms in the mixture, so I've added them. Since the hash potato thing is gonna be quite greasy and heavy, so I've made this salad to go along with it. Sliced pear, cherry tomatoes. Pear is not, it's quite crispy at this stage, so it's gonna add this crispiness, a different texture, and the sweetness can make the whole flavor more interesting. Here are the baby leaves. I'm gonna keep the flavor simple. Pinch of salt, olive oil, and some fresh lemon juice. Just toss it. This looks like rat shit, but it's not shit. It's actually fermented bean that's from laoganma. I'm cooking these first because they're gonna go in between two layers of hashed potatoes. So I want them to be almost cooked first, so you don't have to overcook the hashed potato, because it might happen. You might overcook hashed potato if you put the chicken in between them raw. Just a normal day in the mountains. So on the same grill that we just cooked chicken with, just add in more butter and cook the hashed potatoes, because this flavor is the shit. It's gonna make this thing like 100 times better. It's not quite the same as I imagined it to be. Right now it's a bit of a disaster. 失败，开锅失败，失败。
太厚。
As you can see now, it's a fucking mess here because apparently people don't add egg into hash potato mixture for a reason, because you see it's all fucking sticking onto this new grill. And now I'm gonna cook this the way they make pad thai. It's just like I'm just stir frying the shit out of it. There's egg and there's potato. It actually tastes pretty good, especially with the burnt egg thing. But it's like I'm cooking and working out at the same time. So I'm just gonna make one small portion of kind of what I intended to do, which is to have a layer of hash brown. And then a layer of cheese over the hash brown. But now, ideally is to have another layer of hash potato over it, but I'm afraid it's gonna become too sticky. So I'll just mix them up, and it's gonna become a gooey, cheesy potato thing. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be called now. You can just add in some chicken and just bash it out. It's gonna look like some vomit, but I think it tastes pretty good. This is the kind of power breakfast that I think some of you make. Add more cheese, because cheese is good. So here we have it. I don't know what to call this, but it's not what I planned, but it looks pretty nice because it's like cheesy. It's chicken mom and chicken kid with Uncle Potato. Like they're having here. Making a different version. So we ditched the fancy flat grill and went for this good old friend here. And now it's becoming kind of, I don't know, like a pancake almost shape. So it's one piece. Looks neater than the last one. Let's see how it's gonna end up. This is the almost golden color. Cut it in half, sprinkle cheese, put some chicken, and then some more cheese.